Hello everyone, my name is Rohit and welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video, we learned how the input function works and how you can use int function to accept numerical input. In this video, we are going to learn about while loops. First, we will see what happens when while loop is in action. A while loop is used to repeat a specific block of code an unknown number of times until a condition is met. For example, if we want to ask a user for a number between 1 to 10, we don't know how many times the user may enter a large number, so we keep asking while the number is not between 1 and 10. You can use a while loop to count up through a series of numbers. For example, the following while loop counts from 1 to 5. In the first line, we start counting from 1 by setting the value of current number to 1. The while loop is then set up to keep running less than or equals to 5. The code inside the loop prints the value of current numbers and then adds 1 to that value with the current number. It continuously adds plus 1 to the number until the number is 5. Because 1 is less than 5, so it will add 1 number to the 1 and then it make it 2. And now the 2 is less than 5, so it is doing the same process again and again until it's 5. The program you see every day most likely certain while loop. For example, a game needs a while loop to keep running as long as you want to keep playing, and so it can stop running as soon as you ask to quit. The program wouldn't be fun to use if they stopped running before we told them to kept running even after we wanted to quit. So while loops are quite useful. Now let the user choose when the user want to quit. We can make the parrot.py program run as long as the user wants by putting most of the program inside a while loop. We will define a quit value and then keep the program running as long as the user has not entered the quit value. At 1, we define a prompt that tells the user their two options, entering a message or entering the quit value. Then we set up a variable 2 to store whatever values the user enter. We define message as an empty string. So Python has something to check the first time it reaches the while line. The first time the program run and Python reaches the while statement, it needs to compare the value of message to quit, but no user input has been entered yet. If Python has nothing to compare, it won't be able to continue running the program. To solve this problem, we make sure to give message an initial value, although it's just an empty string. It will make sense to Python and allow it to perform the comparison that make the while loop work. This while loop 3 runs as long as the value of message is not quit. The first time though the loop message is just an empty string, so Python enters the loop at message equals to input prompt. Python displays the prompt and waits for the user to enter their input. Whatever they entered in is stored in a message and printed, then Python reevaluates the condition in the while statement. As long as the user has not entered the word quit, the Python is displayed again and Python waits for more input. When the user finally enters quit, Python stops executing the while loop and program ends. So in next video, we are going to study about how you can make a calculator with using the while loop and if statements, and we will make some new programs and by using while loops and if statements. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. It's completely free.